Hey guys, I won't take much of our time. I'll just explain what's going on in my portfolio, as in even in trading, positional, long term, short term, all of it. So without wasting much of our time, yesterday USD, like Zerodha was not giving USD position. That created a lot of trouble. I was forced to square off my position. I was having 500 lots. So waited full day, and day end I took 100 quantity short. The rationale was very simple. If you see the chart, it's pretty bullish about this range breakout happening. So I thought, okay, let me try. So that has been the condition for this. Nifty, I have multiple butterfly created, which is in loss overall. So right now 17 is minus in this. So I'll keep you posted as the status changes. In terms from back office, if I go to console, portfolio is doing pretty good. 13.59. I have started adding also. The changes happened because the stocks which were in losses, those are recovering. So this are the KNR Construction, DCM Sriram, Adani Green, they all have come into positive. SFL is recovering and all of that. So here a lot of amount has got reduced. On the upside one, they are anyway pretty strong. So this is about portfolio. Anyway, in this account, I don't do anything short term. As the rally is happening crazy, so even this is my other account, the short term one. So though I haven't sold anything yet, I'll start selling on this. Obviously, it is a short term, so the number of stocks are much higher. So objective is I'll keep rotating there. Now, at least when 30-40 stocks is more than 2000 profit, I'll start exiting them. So right now I'm just pumping in. So right now for this month I am almost at 40-41 if I sell everything. Right, but obviously it is more because if I calculate only the profits, it is much more. So I'll keep adding there. I haven't booked yet. Let's see where Nifty takes resistance. I'll start booking that. Till that time, I'll pump it. And in this positions, I have Nifty, which is a hedge against the portfolio, so that is in loss. Here I have taken 70 put sell in USD. The Wipro position, bullish position, is doing pretty good. So that is what is making money. So I'll still carry the position. I'm bullish in Wipro, so I'll see. I'm targeting at least 550, 600 here. So another 100 points for sure. The rest are all the stocks that I have added to this. Like added to my current short-term holding. These are the stocks that I have bought. In terms of console, if you see report in this, I haven't done much. Equity, I haven't done anything. Nothing. Even though I booked 13, currency I booked 11, so around 24 I booked in this account. And in this equity, I have not done anything. Window. Even a 5k I have realized. Currency around 12k. So I was very optimistic on that position, but because yesterday Zerodha for some reason they said market wide limit maximum open position was over and I was forced to square up. Otherwise that position would have been at a max profit of 1 lakh rupees by 8 September. But that's what, there's no script, so problems do happen. We cannot do anything on it. Anyway, it's starting of the month. I'll again create position. Let's see how this expires. So that's it, guys. Nothing much. If you have any questions, do write down in comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.